Okay, mic test 1 2. I think good to go now. Today is Friday, the 21st of February. It's been quite a busy month for me. I'm going to take a look at the 1 minute chart, the general outlook that we had for today, going into the New York session. So the day started after the previous day here. This is where the new day today started from. The previous day we had a rally up higher after the New York Open. We had the rally up and then we kept taking out liquidity to create a buy side up to when we took off our liquidity above here, and then we had a break in market structure. Market shifted to the downside. Then after that it came back to this fair value gap here, and then by the time we expected it to rally below this one now, after it had returned here below this low, so it came back, created another. By the time it went back now to that top part, this was the fair value gap at the broken market structure originally from the rally from yesterday. So after it broke that, it came back, retested it, then rallied down, took out these fair value gaps, then came to rest on this one, retraced a bit to take out this liquidity that lay above. Then after that, it now rallied down below the low that it had initially made after the initial rally, right from this fair value gap. So after that, it price has been mostly choppy and consolidating around this area, creating a low here, taking it out, creating relative equal highs here, taking them out, and that's liquidity to me. And then now at this point we are looking at the liquidity here. Given that we are now at the New York Open, I would like to expect a retracement at least to probably this point above here before the market continues rallying downside. So that's what I'm going in with, going into the New York Open, which started from right around this. So a few buys. Then after having those buys, we had market. We had a few price moved higher. The buyers had their stop losses above here. The sellers, the buyers had stop losses here. They're taken out. So we have predominantly sellers, and it has come and taken out the liquidity here on the downside. No relative equal highs have been left up here, so probably no opportunity to buy. But a good thing is that I have, but I'll be seeking to see how price exactly reacts of this fair value gap, because as of this moment there is liquidity that rests right above here. Although I'll take this off because it's from prior to the New York Open. I could see somewhat the rejection that's occurring right around here at the liquidity that is right here. On the 5 minute chart, I basically have something similar with that proposition. This was price going into the premium here, then breaking the market structure that occurred here, the initial rally downwards, retracement to that, then the fair value gap that had been created here. Then now after that, retraced here slightly, rallied, retraced slightly, take off liquidity, and this was actually the retracement of the New York Open. Then price rallied